Let us come to the break. After break, now we shall study about type of ROM. ROM रैंडम रीड ओनली मेमोरी चिप्स होती है ये। और डिस्क्रिप्शन में क्या है इसके, ये जो है information is written to a ROM chips. When it is manufactured, a ROM chip cannot be erased or rewrite and can become obsolete. उसके बाद में है PROM, प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ओनली मेमोरी होती है ये। Information is written to a PROM chip after it is manufactured. A PROM chip cannot be erased or rewrite. EEPROM erasable programmable read only memory होती है ये। Information is written to EEPROM chip after it is manufactured and EEPROM chip can be erased with exposure to UV light. Special equipment is required होता है इसमें। उसके बाद में है आपका EEPROM। E से इलेक्ट्रिकल, E से इरेजेबल, E से प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ओनली। इंफॉर्मेशन इज written to an EEPROM chip after it is manufactured. EEPROM chips are also called flash ROMs. An EEPROM chip can be erased and rewrite without having to remove the chip from the computer. तो ये थी आपके टाइप्स ऑफ रोम। फिर आपका पावर सप्लाई क्या है, इसको SMPS भी बोल सकते हैं। ये इसका पिक्चर SMPS क्या है या पावर सप्लाई क्या है। दी कंप्यूटर गेट्स इट्स पावर फ्रॉम दी एक्सटर्नल पावर सप्लाई टू सिस्टम थ्रू SMPS। स्विच मोड पावर सप्लाई, SMPS का नाम स्विच मोड पावर सप्लाई, which acts as a AC to DC converter and step down the voltage to 3 से 12 DC. The external power card is to be connected to the power supply plug-in system, and the power supply on/off switch is switched on, and the power switch in the front side of the system is also switched on. Then the power supply fan must run. If it is not running, then there may be a problem of power supply. Okay, if it runs properly, then we can assure that we got power to our system. After it we shall study about motherboard. ये मदरबोर्ड की पिक्चर है। तो इसमें सॉकेट ए कनेक्टर होता है, ये सॉकेट ए कनेक्टर है। ये है प्रोसेसर हीट सेंसर, DDR मेमोरी स्लॉट्स होता है। ये VIA KT400 नॉर्थ ब्रिज चिपेस्ट होती है ये, जो इसमें दे रखी है। फिर उसके बाद में ये कनेक्टर, फिर है ये CD इन हीडर, फ्रंट पैनल ऑडियो हीडर, AGP 8X स्लॉट है ये। उसके बाद में 32 बिट PCIe स्लॉट्स हैं, और ये है ATX पावर कंडक्टर, IDE कनेक्टर्स VIA VT 8235। उसके बाद में है साउथ ब्रिज चिपेस्ट फ्लॉपी डिस्क कनेक्टर है ये, और उसके बाद में है WOL रीडर, USB हेडर्स है ये, और ये है CNR स्लॉट। तो ये थे पार्ट्स ऑफ मदरबोर्ड। The motherboard serves as a single platform to connect all of the parts of a computer together. It connects the CPU, okay, memory, hard drives, optical devices, video card, sound card, and other portals and exceptions cards directly or via cables. It can be considered as a backbone of a computer. फीचर्स ऑफ मदरबोर्ड। मदरबोर्ड के काम क्या है? A motherboard comes with following features. Motherboard varies greatly in supporting various types of components. Motherboard supports a single type of CPU and few types of memories. Video cards, hard disks, sound cards have to be compatible with the motherboard to function properly. Motherboard cases and power supplies must be compatible to work properly together. Descriptions of motherboard. The motherboard is mounted inside the case and is securely attached via small screws through drilled holes. Motherboard contains ports to connect all of the internal components. It provides a single socket for CPU, whereas for memory normally one or more slots are available. Motherboards provide ports to attach the floppy drive, hard drive, and optical drives via ribbons cables. Motherboard carries fans and a special port designed for power supply. There is a fractal card slot in front of the motherboard, using which video cards, sound cards, and other exceptions cards can be connected to the motherboard. On the left side, motherboards carry a number of ports to connect the monitor, printer, mouse, keyboard, speaker, network cables. Motherboard also provide USB ports which allow compatible devices to be connected in plug-out fashion. For example, pen drive, digital cameras, etc. Different type of software. Guys, we shall discuss about this topic in next video. Thanks for watching for video.